इस खबर पर हम आपको आगे भी अपडेट्स देते रहेंगे। फिलहाल आगे बढ़ते हैं। 2008 की मंदी की सटीक भविष्यवाणी करने वाले जाने माने अमेरिकी इकोनॉमिस्ट नोरियल रूबिनी भारत में हैं। रूबिनी से खास बातचीत की हमारे संवाददाता मिहिर भट्ट ने।
स्वागत है आपका जी बिजनेस पर। हमारी खास पेशकश में हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही खास हस्ती है, ऐसी हस्ती जिन्होंने 2008 के ग्लोबल मेल्टडाउन को सबसे पहले प्रेडिक्ट किया था, प्रोफेसर नोरियल रूबिनी। डॉक्टर रूबिनी, थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग अस एंड वेलकम टू जी बिजनेस, इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट न्यूज नेटवर्क। इट्स अ प्लेजर टू हैव यू ऑन आवर चैनल।
Great being with you today.
Thank you. My first question, and very basic question, in 2008, you were the first person who predicted that we are getting into trouble, or we are getting into rough weather. Now, once again, there is a lot of debate going on as far as the current economic situation is concerned globally. We have, on one hand, economies like China and India, which are sort of slowing down at this point. US is obviously showing signs of revival, but in the midst of all this, we have a global commodity meltdown going on. What are you reading into this recent meltdown that we have seen in commodities?
Well, to me, the falling commodity prices is a signal that financial markets are getting worried again about global economic growth. For a while last year, it looked like maybe economies were stabilizing and accelerating, but in the last few weeks, we've seen some negative signs.
Right. Now, if we speak specifically about India, and like you mentioned, because we depend largely on the imports as far as a lot of commodities are concerned, including gold and crude. So, with recent meltdown, people were turning slightly positive in India, especially on the markets. But if this downturn is to sustain globally, then we are maybe looking at recession. In that context, at this point, can we comfortably say worst is over for economies like India, which were otherwise looking at maybe bottoming out of the process?
Well, on one side, India had weak economic growth, last year, but there was hope that actually global recovery and some additional monetary easing by the central bank will lead to some restoration of economic growth. And certainly the fall in commodity prices reduces the trade deficit of India, reduces inflation, and that's going to be positive. But if this fall in commodity prices, I pointed out, is driven by something more than just a global growth scare, if global economic growth is going to slow down sharply, if Chinese growth is going to slow down sharply, that on net is going to be a negative for India.
वक्त ब्रेक का है। ब्रेक के उस पार मास्टर ब्लास्टर सचिन का है जन्म।